Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the high beam and parking light bulb, remove the cover on the grille side. Take the bulb connector and pivot it in an anti-clockwise direction and then pull it out. To remove the bulb, insert a flat screwdriver between the plastic bulb holder and the metal part of the bulb and leaving the two parts apart. Now, take the connector in your hand and pull on the bulb. Take the new bulb. Insert it into the connector. Put everything back into the light compartment and lock it in place by making a quarter turn clockwise. Put the rubber cover back on.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.
To change the H7 low beam bulb, remove the body side cover by turning it a quarter turn to the left. Take the bulb connector and pivot it in an anti-clockwise direction and then pull it out. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put everything back into the light compartment and lock it in place by making a quarter turn clockwise. Put the light cap cover, pivoting it a quarter turn to the right. To replace the indicator lights, remove the lower cover. Give the bulb connector a quarter turn anti-clockwise. This will allow you to take the whole thing out. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the rubber cover back on. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.